Hello everyone, myself Dr. Maulita Kapadia, MD Internal Medicine, working at present at SMVS Swaminarayan Hospital, Gandhinagar. I am here to talk about monsoon healthcare. We all eagerly wait for monsoons after going through this scorching heat and to get some relief from this heat. Monsoon is a very good weather to enjoy rainfall, waterfall, greenery, food, hot snacks, everything. But along with it, it also brings some diseases. The most common ones are dengue, malaria, typhoid, chikungunya, dysentery, hepatitis, leptospirosis, flu-like illnesses and pneumonia. But the most common ones here we find in India are dengue, malaria, chikungunya, typhoid, dysentery and hepatitis and some flu-like illnesses and some respiratory problems in patients already having respiratory issues or weak lung. First of all, we will talk about some symptoms which are found in these diseases. The very common symptom first of all is high grade fever. If you experience high grade fever, headache, body ache, chills, shivering, rigors, along with it vomiting, nausea, then immediately consult your doctor. It can be the symptoms of dengue. In malaria, the fever is intermittent, daily once a day, and that too associated with chills and rigors. In chikungunya, you experience joint pain, severe joint pain, stiffness, along with high grade fever which is continuous. So if you experience any of these symptoms, take paracetamol on primary basis at home. Start drinking plenty of fluids like lemon water, fruit juice, coconut water, increase the amount of fluids in your body. Start taking plenty of fluids, around 3 liters per day, and immediately consult your physician. Apart from these diseases, we also experience typhoid and foodborne infections due to outside food, unhygienic food, sanitization problems also. There are so many patients experiencing digestion issues in this season because in monsoon our digestion is very weak. So we need to take care about our food. We need to take light food as far as possible. Try to take small meals at frequent intervals every 4 hourly. Drink plenty of water. Avoid heavy foods as it won't be digestible. Apart from that, if you experience diarrhea, vomiting, along with fever and severe abdominal cramps, immediately consult your physician. Take probiotics and immediately consult them for further treatment of typhoid and gastrointestinal infections. These were the symptoms which you experience and you need to take care. Apart from that, I will also cover prevention part, what to do to protect yourself from these diseases. First of all, this dengue, malaria and chikungunya are mosquito borne diseases. From mosquitoes bites you get these diseases. So for that you need to avoid mosquito bite. For that, what you can do? Avoid water lodging around your surrounding areas. Make sure that there is no water pots, stagnant water around your area or in your home and balconies. Immediately take care of that. After that, you can wear light colored clothes when you go out. Also wear full sleeves pants and full sleeves shirts so that you prevent mosquito bites. Use mosquito repellent cream, spray, available mosquito net on the doors, windows, bed. The patches are also available for your easy application on your clothes, and some fabric roll-ons are also available in the market which can be used to prevent mosquito bites. This was important in the mosquito borne diseases. And the second part is about the foodborne diseases like typhoid and hepatitis, dysentery. For that, avoid outside food. Yes, you can definitely enjoy the pakoras, but make sure you make it at home, not the street food. Avoid street food as it is unhygienic. Around surrounding area is in waterlogged and that causes infection. So make sure you eat food at home cooked, freshly made and freshly cooked. Don't eat food kept in refrigerator since morning and then you eat it in the evening. Avoid such food. Make sure you enjoy every food at home, but light diet is very important in this season. And furthermore, for the hepatitis part, it is because of drinking water, outside drinking water which might be contaminated with rainwater, that causes hepatitis. So make sure that you drink packaged bottled water if you are really thirsty and you are outside. You can have packaged coconut water or packed fruit juices rather than the open market available juices on the streets. After that, we come to the another problem. Apart from this disease infections, there are snake bites and are also common in rural areas and also in some construction sites also. If you have a home around where the construction sites are there, then snake bite is also common. Whenever you have have or you suspect that you have a snake bite, then immediately go in emergency department of hospital, as it is very very important to get anti-snake venom immediately within 24 hours and we can treat. Make sure that you hand sanitization is very important in this season. Hand washing before eating and cooking is compulsory. If you experience any of these symptoms and if you are not able to go to hospital, you can also call 108. Our ambulance services are available anywhere 24/7, 365 days. Lastly, some trauma cases are also increased during monsoon due to the roads are wet and also not clear. So drive safely, cautiously and slowly. Wear helmet. Our health is our responsibility. Lastly, you can also call SMVS Swaminarayan Hospital Emergency Department if you experience any symptoms. Number is already on your screen. Take care. Thank you.